ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನ ಮೇ ಐ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬೈಲಿಂಗ್ವಲ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಂತೋಷ. ಬರೋ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು. ನೈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ದಿನ ಇವತ್ತು, ಹಬ್ಬದ ದಿನ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡ ಹಬ್ಬ ದಿನ ಇದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಥರನೇ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶನೂ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮೇಲೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷ ಒಂದು ಭೌಗೋಳಿಕ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಂಗೀತ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕಲೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕ್ರೀಡೆ, ಯಾವ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮೊದಲ 1-2 ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್, ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಗಂಗಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಕದಂಬಾಸ್, ಆನಂತರ ಚಾಲುಕ್ಯರು, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕೂಟರು, ಹೊಯ್ಸಳರು, ವಿಜಯನಗರರು, ಬಹಮಣಿಗಳು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಅರಸರು. ಇವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ. And their contribution for the development of Karnataka is huge. We should remember Wadiyar kings, especially in the recent 200 years. They have made Karnataka, especially the southern Karnataka which they were ruling, they have made it a modern looking state. In all the fields, especially 4th Wadiyar king, Krishnarajendra Wadiyar, has done wonderful. He has touched all the modern fields. He got his education in England and he came back here and set up a state which is modern. And Vishweshwaraya, Mirza Ismail were his divans who built this state, where in every field, from banking to education, Institute of Science was set up by him. All the banks, many of the banks were set up by him. The iron and steel industry was set up by him. Women's education he started. So he was a very modern king. And similarly, we have scientists in Karnataka, U.R. Rao, C.N.R. Rao, you have Raja Ramanna, wonderful international level scientists Karnataka has produced. Similarly, literatures, Sahitigalu, we have 8 Jnanapita awardees Karnataka, next only to Hindi. Hindi has 9 Jnanapita awards, 11 now is it? I'm sorry, I should get updated. Once we were Hindi and Kannada had equal number of Jnanapita awardees. We have Saraswati Samman awardees. They are very great writers. Karnataka has been a very good, say, literature. In the area of literature, it has been far ahead. And the nativity of the language, the ancient days of Kannada language started some 4th century. The first script was found in Halmadi Shasana, which is near Hassan, which was written, not even Tamil script was there then. So the script of Kannada is as old as 1700 years, 1700 years. So it's a very, very rich language which has contributed in all the fields. So I request people who have come to Karnataka as our guests, you should be our guests. We want a harmony between Kannadigas and non-Kannadigas. Kannada is our mother tongue and she is like our mother. But all other languages are like our aunties. Mothers, sisters. So they also take care of the children. So we are all in a family. Only thing, we are born in different regions of this country. So I feel be very, very comfortable in Karnataka, and especially in our together means apartments, we will be like a family. I welcome you all from whoever is from other states and our own state. ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು, ನಾವು ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಲಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬದುಕೋಣ, ಬೆಳೆಯೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಬಟ್ ದರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ತಮಾನವೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರೇನಿದ್ದೀವಿ ವರ್ತಮಾನ, ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಹಿಂದಿನೂ ಬೇಕು, ತಮಿಳು ತೆಲುಗು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮೊದಲ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತಾಯಿಯ ಥರ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮದರ್. ಸೊ I once again request everybody for having invited me to be with you. And one request I want to make before hoisting the flag. One lady and a child should accompany me to hoist the hoist the flag.
ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತು.
ನದಿ ವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡು, ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ, ರಸಿಕರ ಕಂಗಳ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ನೋಟ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಕ್ರೈಸ್ತ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ, ಪಾರಸೀಕ ಜೈನರು ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಜನಕನ ಹೋಲುವ ದೊರೆಗಳ ಧಾಮ, ಗಾಯಕ ವೈಣಿಕರ ರಾಮ. ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾಡುವ ದೇಹ, ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದೇಹ, ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಜಯ ಸುಂದರ ನದಿ ವನಗಳ ನಾಡೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ರಸ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಬೀಡು, ಜಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನು ಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ. ಸರಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ.
Kannada food, Kannada sweets, and not to buy from cafe, but later. Starting families, we just waiting for the last.
Sure. Let me explain our anthem. Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanu Jate, which means victory to you, Mother Karnataka, the daughter of Mother India.
Thank you, Shravani. Thank you, Shubham. Shubham, you will get a lot of ideas today, and all of you all will get a lot of ideas about what all Karnataka consists of. Here we are. Krishnadeva Raya was the most celebrated king of Vijayanagar Empire. Under him, the Kannada and Karnataka prospered. In fact, the
Kannada Rajyotsava the Shubhashikara.
Jai Karnataka.
Kittur Rani Channamma. Please give a big round of applause to Kittur Rani Channamma. To 1829, she led and fought against the British very courageously.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ. I am not just the queen of Kittur. I am the daughter of the soil. Who says a woman is a symbol of weakness? Let every drop of my blood flow for the freedom of this land. Jai Kannada Nadu, Jai Bharat Mata.
And he was a prominent Indian warrior with a military chief, and he is celebrated as the Kanti Veera, known for successfully leading the guerrilla type warfare against the British.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಕ್ರಾಂತಿವೀರ್ ಸಂಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಯಣ್ಣ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಲೀಡರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ವಾರಿಯರ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ Kannada Nadu. This is my vow, this is my dharma. Let the pride of Karnataka live forever. Thank you.
Yay! Who has marched out in Rocky Chitradurga Fort. She fought against and she fought single-handedly.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಒನಾಕ ಒಬಾವ. I was not a tried warrior, but when my land was in danger, the women of the soil never feared. We fight just not for our lives, but for my land. Thank you.
The history of Karnataka and also the freedom fighters. Now there's another interesting part, and that is the food and culture of our land. So Karnataka's food and culture are a beautiful reflection of its geography, history and diversity. So right from the Western Ghats to the Deccan Plains, we will introduce you to some of the cuisines of Karnataka. So majorly we can divide the cuisines into 4 parts. One will be the coastal cuisine, and one will be the Malnad cuisine. Then we have the central region cuisine from Bangalore, Mandya, Mysore, Hassan, etc. And also from the North Karnataka belt. In the coastal cuisine, you might have already had from the Udupi hotels nearby. So it's very famous for the South Indian meals, the vegetarian temple style meals, and also the delicacies like neer dosa, kori roti, puli munchi, which is made up of seafood mainly. Also, in the Malnad region, it is a region surrounded by misty hills, so the food is always very comfort. There is akki roti, kadubu, patrode and pandi curry, which is very famous. And coming to the North Karnataka belt, we have roti manes and khanavalis nearby, where you can have jawar roti meals. So the flavors are very bold and rustic. And also from the central Karnataka region, you all must have seen the ragi mudde meals, so which is very nutritious, and also masala dosa and variety of dosas. Okay, so talking to the culture, I would like to call upon. So you have seen many styles of saree draping, but there is one unique style that hails from Coorg, and that is Coorgi style saree draping. Jashita, would you like to say something?
Namaskara, I am a girl from Kodagu. My vulture is so special, like my sari drape.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಾನು ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ತಾಯಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ತಾಯಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾದ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಹಾರೈಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಆಶಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ.
Everyone assembled over here. So I was given with the slide for the sports and achievements, as my teammates see me every time carrying the badminton bag and going every time if it hits 5 p.m. in the evening every day. So they asked me to talk about the Karnataka sports over here. So Karnataka has produced a lot of champions who have shined in the national and international stage. So it has from bustling streets to grand stadiums, we have seen a lot of champions, not only in the particular sports like cricket, where we have KL Rahul Dravid and we also have the champions in badminton, kabaddi and all. So here we can see Pankaj Advani, who is a 27-time world title holder in billiards and snooker, and we can see some other names like Ashwini Nachappa, Rita Abraham, who have inspired generations in their record-breaking runs and all. So Pramila Ayappa and Duty Chand, who were trained in Bangalore, and they have carried forward the state's athletic legacy. So now I would like to call two legends, and one is from badminton and one is from cricket. That is the only hint that I can give, and you can guess. And as we mentioned, they both hail from Karnataka.
Anil Kumble.
Fantastic. Okay, and one more. Yes, we have this Anil Kumble, who is an Indian legend, and he's also called Jumbo of cricket. And and he was also a coach of Team India, and it is enacted by our own Dev. Yes, Anilji, some words.
Jumbo one ball.
Nannu Anil Kumble, Namaskara. I am son of Karnataka, a warrior of Indian cricket. On the field, I wasn't just bowling, I was carrying the pride of my land. Karnataka is my inspiration, and my effort is the strength of every Kannadiga. Dhanyavadagalu.
Yes. Exactly. So it's Ashwini Ponnappa, which is erected by our Lakshanmika. Am I right?
So we all saw the rich heritage, rich history of Karnataka today, like the freedom fighters, dynasties, food, culture, all the sports people. So we'll move on how Karnataka has grown over the decades today and what it is now. So Karnataka is nexus of tradition and global innovation. We are all aware of what great opportunities our city, our state has created for us. It is called as the Silicon Valley of India, and it hosts major IT, aerospace and R&D centers. It is also giving lot of opportunities for the startup culture today. It is known for its rich cultural and linguistic legacy. That is, we all heard today that Karnataka and Kannada language is the second highest number of Jnanapith Literary Award winner. We also see some nature and sustainable economy features, where India is the largest coffee producer in Karnataka, a significant hub for sericulture, and is home to the Western Ghats. Yes, we now welcome Rida.
Namaskara, Nanu Sudha Murthy. I am the daughter of Kannada Nadu. Simplicity is my ornament and service is my dharma. I was the first female engineer to work in Telco. I was also the co-founder of Infosys. I love books. I have authored many books for kids and adults. I am a proud Kannadiga. Jai Karnataka Mate. I'm a IT professional. I came from a small village. I work in Bangalore. Bangalore is India's Silicon
Valley.
City. Bangalore and Karnataka. Thank you.
Everyone here has gotten some interesting facts out of this presentation.
I think you are interested to learn about our Karnataka culture and history.
Yeah, indeed. In fact, my research on this great state starts from today. And thanks a lot for explaining me about this beautiful culture and accepting all of us to this beautiful land. Let's all say together, Jai Karnataka Nadu, Jai Bharat Mate.
Talk about something special that connects millions of us in the beautiful state Karnataka, the language Kannada. Kannada is not just a language. It is a musical part. It's a musical achievement and a rich part of who we are. Was the oldest language compared to English and Hindi. First Kannada writing was discovered in the place called Halmidi. Once a wise man called Vinoba Bhave called the Kannada script as the queen of world scripts. Like English has many silent letters, but in Kannada we speak all the letters we write. In Karnataka, some people speak in different languages like Telugu, Kodagu, Kinkilu, Konkani. All has a big family. Kannada is the language of kindness, worth, and of beautiful stories. Thank you.
Very proud. Next, please. No?